No sooner did little Zubair and his sister Zainab lay down in their beds, all of a sudden a loud sound was heard and electricity went off at once in the whole area. When darkness prevailed everywhere, Zainab became nervous and clung to her mother and said out of fear, "Dear mother, ghost! Ghost!" Mr. Naveed reached home after a while. When Zainab saw her father, she immediately clung to her father. Though Zainab got some satisfaction upon the arrival of her father, she was still fearful. Observing her unusual state, Zainab's father became concerned too. Upon Mr. Naveed's asking, Zainab's mother informed that she had told a horror story to the children the day before. It was probably the reason why she perhaps got scared due to the power outage. Mr. Naveed said to Zainab, "Dear daughter, we are Muslims and Muslims are brave people. They do not fear anyone except Allah Azza wa Jalla. Our beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam was also very brave. One night, people of Medina heard a horrible sound. People rushed to that sound and saw the beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam coming from the direction of that horrible sound, because the holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam is the bravest of all in the universe. He sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam had reached there before people did. At that time, the beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam was saying, "Don't be afraid, don't be afraid." Sahih Bukhari, volume 2, page number 284, Hadith 2908. The blessed companions radiyallahu ta'ala anhum of the beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam were also very brave. Once a lion was sitting on their way and it had blocked the way of people. Sayyiduna Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu went near it and said, "Leave the path." After getting this scolding, lion left the place wagging its tail and ran away. Hujjatullahi alal alameen, Pippi 616. After listening to these parables, Zainab felt very relaxed and satisfied. Parents, pay attention. Amiri al-Sunnat, Allama Muhammad Ilyas Attar Qadiri, Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah said, "Tales of ghosts and fairies make children coward. Our children should be brave like a lion. Therefore, we should adopt the character of Mr. Naveed performed by him in this fictional story and tell the parables of pious predecessors, rahimahumullahu ta'ala, to the children instead of horror stories. May Allah Almighty bestow our children with bravery. Ameen bijahin Nabi. Al-Aminu sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.